Me just see Shibada make one video say rebel bad minor. Me just see one next Batman say rebel bad minor. Why them I go say rebel bad minor? Because what she just say, I said the whole TikToker them are hypocrite and everybody knows say the fight that go on. Oh, if you know that. Oh. Bro, she never said bro, me leave here pick up for the rest of TikTok. Bro, watch her video. Let me tell you when we know Rosealee have. And then me see one something and say, we tell Khandy say don't come put it on the internet. What? Who said that? Who me don't want to get it mixed up. Who said Khandy enough to come on internet come talk about it? Who said that? Who said that? Come me don't want to get it mix up.
Yeah.
Rose.
Yeah.
When you and Khandy have no whatever, me and Rebel text you and tell us enough to come on the internet?
No. So who said that?
Okay, me just want to know that. When cause you not no secret for me. I ain't no secret for Rebel. I mean I don't fear either. When you and Khandy that go fight, me and Rebel didn't know that? When
Khandy never fight.
no, whatever, like no fight, whatever whatever you want to call it, and not
Confrontation.
yeah, we didn't know about when you see me in a Rebel party, when you see Rebel at the party. Now when you go up on the stage,
Yeah.
when you see me at the party, now when you come up on the stage,
Yeah.
after that you see me after that.
No.
Okay, me just want to know that because me a Rebel salt, you know. Me just want to know that. All right, man, that's a party. Bona tabo, bona tabo. Oh, that's at the Airbnb. Yeah. Alright, when our birthday party. Chat, when our birthday party, me know say TikToker. That's true. When I'm a birthday party last in October, me know say TikToker. Yeah, when I get it mixed up. Another party thing she talk. Say Khandy never come from life he come talk about. I never that she talk about. She talk about the Airbnb. When them come at the Airbnb, when everybody reach at the Airbnb, I say to them, say bro, listen, the whole of we are TikToker, anything at me at the Airbnb, low it at the Airbnb. And I never about the party she talk. She talk about the Airbnb where she and Mama when Mama come talk about what go on a toilet and what go on a bathroom. I never about the party she talk. So she talk about the Airbnb, which that was true. Cause the whole of we are TikTok, I'm saying, bro, any if somebody cuss on the Airbnb, if somebody fight, if somebody argue, please just load that on the Airbnb that and everything we have to bring on the Airbnb when I was my birthday party. And that's true. Me tell them that for true. Anyway, I go around TikTok out there we are all vibe, I say, bro, anything go on the Airbnb, load it. But the only thing me not like that, how the girl feel away, bro, I said. She feel away, I say, that the people in my jagger, I say, it's like we know, say, the girl like a touch her. Bro, we don't know. We didn't even know, bro. I swear to God, we don't know. But that's all. Brother, chat, we don't just want to bring down the people. We don't just not like we, bro. We don't just not like we. What you mean? That's how it look. Oh, you mean that's how it look? Oh, we can't know in a people head. Bro, we don't just not like we, dog. Oh, you can't know how some look. Bro, you just don't like we, brother. What you mean that's how it look? Bro, me get what. Bro, me show you a video. Bro, see the video, yeah? Look, watch the video good, chat. Look, Cause watch the video. Me, Donia, Buki, Rebel, and the rest of the dog them. We say after Rebel party, we are got Rasclat. And my dog them, I'm a part of it. We are got Taboo. The live mute, when you hear me? No, wait, tell me if you not hear me. Chat, me never say she call me name. Me never come over and say she call me name. Me never come over and say she call Rebel name. I always she say the thing, say yo, all of we are hypocrite. Bro, no, chat with the 5,000 over here, not to say we are get dragged down. We not go like, we not the same people that bring down me and the girl. I talk about we are hypocrite. We not like on the delusional. We not like on the delusional. We not to say we are get bring down for no reason. Beat them, bro. Everybody has say we are hypocrite. While I go me and Rose go up on the screen and Rose check acid smaddy. Them I say why me never tell, bro. What me tell Rose? What not talk about? Bro, see the video here, bro. Look. See Pops YG there. Hear what the man say. Hear what the man say. What are we a got taboo? See Pops there. Come we are come out of the party. See Rebel run go up there. See me the over there, so behind the car. Me run past Pops. See me run gone up there. Oh, if you know. Brother, when our people come tell me, say, yo, Rosealee them and Khandy a fight. Rebel run out of the car, Pops run out of the car, and me run out of the car at the same time. I'm go up there and say, yo, Khandy, walk one. Done it. By the time I say done it, Khandy drive off. Brother, Mr. Rosealee a Rasclat, Mr. Rosealee a Rasclat, the after party when you see we go, after Rebel party down at Olympic, and ask Rosealee what I say to her. I say, what you do? I fuck Radio Rose. Mr. Rosealee, me can call her right now. Me can call back Rose. Mr. Rose, what you do? I fuck her. You know the people I'm gonna say, every time Rebel party keep, I be a fight going on and the people I'm gonna try to bring down the girl. What you do? I fuck her. I say, Rebel not talk to you now. I say, Rebel not go talk to you because I fuck her do. And Rose look at me and say, yo, bro. What? She look at me and say, yo. Khandy should you must come talk about the thing. I mean, I say, yo, what you do? A fuckery. Because end of the day when this done, a Rebel like get the blame. Say, oh, Rebel party always fight. And see that the same thing at me, bro. The same thing at me, bro. Ask her, me can call Rose, bro. Me can call Rose. I don't know why I think Rose have secret for me. Rose not have secret for me. Me just rate Rose because she never disrespect me yet. Rosealee, when me see you at the party at Olympic, what me say to you when me joy you one away? Me not tell you say where you do at the party at fuckery.
So what the problem?
No, cause them people make you look like say, bro, you tell we say you never fight Khandy, I will make you look like say, alright, yeah, you have to go fight her.
You never fight Khandy. Who's saying that?
No, the people. No. Yo, this good here, man. This good. Better when we see Rosealee, me say Rebel Day night party vex. Rebel Day the after party vex. And Mr. Rosealee, come me talk to you. And Mr. Rosealee, say you do the party, I fuck credo. Mr. I fuck credo Rose. You should go to Khandy. Cause you know what the people are gonna say. You know what the people are gonna say. You know what the people are gonna bring down Rebel Day talk about. Rebel party what me last year, come back at me this year. You know the people that like Rebel, bro. Who like her Rebel Nation, but you know somebody created them that like her, bro. I'm say it to her. I'm say Rebel now got ask Rose, word for word, Mr. Rebel now got talk to you. Cause Rebel feel disrespect, bro. I bet if we go fight somewhere, not at Rebel party, we don't know. What happened last year, there's no way. We could have known, say, yo, this is gonna happen. I will not stop it. There's no way we could have known that, bro. So when people are say, oh, Rebel are hypocrite and Switzerland are hypocrite, bro, everything I will jack, bro. Everything I want name on the call. Everything, bro. We're not so fool. If you say the girl party, get one Rasclat, bring down last year, and come back this year again. If you get back one more, bring down, bro, fuck you not chat, bro. Fuck you, bro. Fuck you not chat. Rose can, brother, first of all, you see, I'm telling you this. You see, if Rosealee and somebody talk about something, no matter who you be, Rose will come tell us, say, hey, listen this. Me did tell this a person, say me da go fight her. She not go hold it back. No matter who you be. No matter if she give one loyalty for 1 hour. Rose now go hold that, I don't know that too. Nobody come pretty it up. Like you know if Rosealee did tell somebody say she go fight, or me, I tell this. When Rosealee ready for talk and drink fair liquor, she go say, oi, me did tell Switzerland them, and Switzerland them me know so we go fight her. Who no know say Rosealee no hold nothing. No for money, no for gift, no for care, no for friendship. When Rosealee drink, Rosealee they go say that, bro. Bro, the girl feel a weird, brother. The girl feel a weird, bro. Can you make it look like say, bro, the girl no. Bro, me tell you who me say. When you come in at the party, me and Donna them going out, Donna them in my cabana. I never see Rose till the party are done. I never see Khandy till the party are done. Rebel never see them till the party are done either. When them come on the stage, hear the people them. Oh, they so you miss all the people them want to bring with them. Hear the people them. Everybody with that rebel party. The people them say, oh, we are telling Khandy if you up and come off the stage. Only so like I want one Arman sing 2 songs. Rosealee, where my boy sing the most blood class song. When name Enhance. Who else? Enhance get the most song. Silver sing about 3 songs. Cash sing about 2 songs. Bro, the police them a fight with. The police them a fight with, bro. Can't me as a Khandy not have time for you to take off your shoes, sis. Just up and fuck up your party. I'll shuckle bus if you need it as a mama you not have time to take off your shoes. Just run it. I let the man them want to lock off the sound pan Khandy, bro. And the man must lock it off now. See the facts. Do all the people when they're at the party, bro. See how we are rush the party. We are rush the Rosealee party, bro. For the people them perform. I be a 1-1 song. Pops leave a perform. Who else no perform? None of them, none of the TikTok of them no come. When Rosealee come on the stage, when the party done, the man them plug out sound and plug out everything. When Rosealee come on the Rosealee stage, no sound, nothing now. When me say, yo, drop one song for Rosealee, the man them say that lock off. Me Rose do a shadow. A cappella. Then Rose say, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Bro, me not tell a lie, dog, bro. Dog, me not tell a lie. Me not tell a lie, bro. The girl with a big pussy that you talk about 2 bias. Who bias reaching at this? Who reach bias? Who are decide against 2 person? You don't? Who bias reaching at this? Who does, bro, listen, you see who want to take what them take from this? Them take what them who want to take from this. Yeah, and split up who no want split up, bro. Can't just not like the girl, bro. And everything, what happened? Me and Fair name Africa all night. Like we name all if you are run from it, bro. We name Africa all night, brother. We name Africa all night. Like bro, all if you are brother, me say just like last year. We name bro, all if you do we out that's what we night. Bro, when the girl here say Khandy and Rosealee fight, I will run out of the I ball the girl a ball. Me run past the whole of them. Me run all past Pops. And Pops come out and carry before me. Come and say, Jesus Christ, see it here again. Jesus, we are come out enough. And I was in at the party, we say, yes, Father God, thank God, the party done. We are got taboo, go enjoy ourselves. No, go on. Rebel try stand up on the stage and make sure say, yo, no entourage go up on the stage. When you see the artist and perform, or just the artist and alone come up. No entourage go up on the stage. Because the girl that protect her party and say, yo, she don't want nobody fight at the party and she don't want nobody nothing to go on the stage. She just want her party smooth. We don't know, we don't, brother, if somebody tell me, say, them me that go fight, bro, that it has squash from long time. Them me that go one from long time. Nobody no know that, bro. Nobody no know that. So when I say, bro, people are hypocrite and people know, say, them me that go fight. Nobody no know that, brother. Bro, the girl don't deserve that, bro. Because the girl even over your dog argue, don't know, brother. When the girl under pressure, them girl run off her life, brother, for months. I don't say yo like me never say Khandy call my name and me never say Khandy call Rebel name. But when Khandy say all of the TikToker them are hypocrite, the two TikToker them come out and me a Rebel. Me never say she call the name. Me just say the part when she say all of the TikToker them are hypocrite. How we a get it? How we a get it, bro?
So Swiftly more ask something. So me and somebody fight?
Bro, nobody never say everybody call it fight. Nobody say yeah,
Me
nobody
and
fight.
no me
The
and
point
nobody in a
is,
fight. And the fact of the matter is me wake up in the morning, when me wake up in the after 3 I go to 4. You understand? Pops come on the internet the man and say me and girl fight. Me and nobody don't fight.
yeah,
And that's what
yeah.
me I say.
Yeah.
When she come on the net and talk about Jara, she can this and that and hard type of story. You not call them and ask them, you know, and me una argument with. And that me not
Bro,
lie.
no, one thing, nobody in an argument today,
Yeah, we
bro.
are say, come on, yeah, we are
Listen,
saying a Swiss.
listen what me I
I'm
say.
still the comment section, you know.
Listen what
And
me
then
I
me
say.
I come
Listen,
from, you know. Okay.
listen. Me can't control comment section. I don't have no
She too
control over that.
enough and she too this and she up and
Me can't control that. Listen what me I say to you. Why me come live? Why me come live? And when Mama say all of the TikToker them are hypocrite. Me just see one screen maker when them say all of the TikToker them are hypocrite and who some of them must know or whatever. Me no want to tell a lie on Khandy. Who know say like you tell people say we go them with go
so
gang.
she
You
say
know?
all of the she say all of the TikTok them are hypocrite.
Yes, that's what I see on her screen record. She never call her name. But me I say when she said that, the two person them want to get this blame right now is me and Rebel. That's why I call him. I never call you a cuss you. I call you and ask and say, did you see me at Rebel party to wait to Rascal when the party are done on the stage? At the only time that you see me. If you did tell we say you da go fight, we did have no say you go
Yes,
fight.
and
Which is
yeah,
not a
nobody no
fight, but
fight.
everybody does call it a fight. So nobody take the fight. When you put it on our face or whatever, when me see it on the Olympic, I'ma call you one away. When me say to you, Mr. Rosealee, what you do? A foolishness. And me say to you, Mr. Rosealee, you know what gonna happen. Me say Rebel vex today, you know. And you say brother she vex, and me say Rose, yes she vex because remember we go on last year our party. Right now the people them are gonna say tomorrow, oh, we're going on a Rebel party, same thing I go on a Rebel party, ray, blah blah. You go to Rebel, me don't know what after that. That's why me just friend, that's why me come like come here and say, bro, why the people them always are bring down me
So
and this a girl for no reason.
she's saying all of the people them all of the TikTok them are hypocrite.
Yeah, that's why me see on a screen record. She never call nobody name. Me tell Rosealee that she wrong after the party, bro. At the after party, me say you're wrong. Ask her, see her there. You not go to Rosealee, I want no secret for nobody. See her there, bro. Me tell her, me say you're wrong. You shouldn't do that because you know the impact where I go come out for the party. And the same thing happen. As them waking in the morning, oh, Rebel Salt, oh, everything Rebel party, a fight. And the same thing when me tell
No,
Rosealee I got
but
me
nobody
Olympic, and the
fight.
same thing them
The
say.
fact of the matter is nobody fight.
No, you know what I mean. You
Nobody
know what I
fight.
mean
Nobody
when me
no
say
fight.
fight. You know what I mean when me
Nobody
say
no
fight.
fight. Nobody no fight. Nobody no fight. You understand? Nobody no fight. Nobody at all no fight. Nobody. That's number one. Number two, I wasn't the one that came on the internet and said shit. The whole of the people them will bring down the party, pops and the whole of them will come with them excitement. And the one of them and she with, oh, she gonna cut my throat and cut for your throat. I bring down the people in party. Me say when me I say to her, I walk away. Me and nobody no fight. You understand? But me notice, you know, in all of this, when shit a happen and them a do them thing, them not getting wrong. But when me say something and me always get the problem and me always get wrong. Cause me know me salt with people, you know. But you know what, me live to learn. Have a good night, Swiftly.
Alright.
Me live to learn. Cause I say all along this thing I go on. When she come say, una clean behind me. What that mean? Me hurt too. On the fuck no,
Alright.
you gonna come here, she go, sure, me not.
Ask Rebel. Me tell
Oh,
Rebel say
me hurt.
the
I don't
reason
wanna
ask Rebel.
be a
Listen,
friend.
listen me. You see what me tell the Rebel say. Rosealee say why she put her hand in her face is because me say don't at the Airbnb say anything go up on Airbnb we as TikToker leave it on TikTok. Me say to you say remember good enough. Me say to you say Rosealee there is no way You cannot bring down one woman. And one woman have something over and she not go
She don't
talk.
have nothing over me. She don't have nothing over
Listen,
me.
just listen what me I say now. Just listen. Listen, wait. Just listen what me I say to you. Remember that me say to you. You say, Swissy, but look how you tell we say we are TikToker. Nothing enough to come back on the TikTok come talk and Khandy go talk about
Swissly, me
me.
have a lot. Swissly, me have
Just
a lot
listen
of
what me I
things.
say now, Rose.
I
Listen,
did not. I
listen,
did
Annette.
not. You said to me, said, do not come. You understand? I should
Yeah.
come and say it. That mean them can't be trusted.
You not
They
hear me I
can't be
say, yo,
trusted.
we not
Me
wait,
not
wait.
bring down the
Wait,
party.
we ain't, me make you talk. Rosealee, listen up. Yeah, you not get it when me I say. More you listen before them splices. Listen. When me see a Olympic, I said to me, I say, Rosealee, you should have put your hand on Khandy face. You said to me, say, Swissly, the thing we should talk about from the Airbnb, it hurt me. Me turn to you and say to you, say, Rosealee, there's no way you cannot bring down a female. And if she knows something about you, she not say it. I say me dear. Remember that me say to you. Me say yes. Me tell you that for true. Say, the whole of them me tell for the rich. Say, anything that me at the Airbnb, we as TikToker, please, bro, left it off of the app. If you go bring them, I me say to you, say, if you go call one girl, come punch. Remember good enough, me say if you go call one woman, say, she a come punch, she a fuck you this and she a fuck you that. If she go make up something and she go talk, if she see something say shit in a one bush, she a come talk, which is true. Can me the pan right now, me I say, Rosealee, you this and that, you back big, you this and that, you hear some shit in a bush. I see me do something, you not go hold it, Rose. The truth or the truth. Remember when I said to me, say you hurt her, that me look on you and say to you, say, there's no way you cannot call one girl.
You know
Come
why I'm
punch.
hurt? You know why I'm hurt?
Me just why you know, sir,
You
that
know
me
why I'm
tell you.
hurt? You know why I'm hurt?
Yeah.
Cause she is a lie she a tell. Like oh she come and talk about she go past screen and talk about the whole of the TikTok and them know she's a fucking liar. And that at me not like liar. A lie she a tell. And that burn me to the core of my heart. Liar tell. Me not like liar. Me not like people who lie. Me not walk and tell no lie. Me and a girl no fight. Me and no girl, she come out a crate except me go about my business. When pops run up on them in my car, sit down. I go about my business. When Rebel come down the road from up on the top, she never see me. Me and a girl no fight. I them come here and tell lie. Come on, shut the girl.
I just that me want you say.
I
Thank
them
you.
a come and tell them me and a girl
Thank
in a
you.
fight.
I just that me
Me
want
and
you.
a
I
girl in
just
a
that me want
fight.
know say when the
Me
fight
told
I
me
go
I
and
can
come
walk.
Rebel
Me
and
and a
come
girl in
to
a
no.
fight.
I just that me want. Me
You
no
see the
busy
video we
go and
fighting?
meet with the two of you. But me just want the people them say, bro, cool off of me and Rebel name, bro. Everything I'm up on TikTok, but no matter how me come to Jamaica and try me the TikTok of them. Unite I do things. Always Switzerland and Rebel. Always
The
Switzerland and
first
Rebel,
somebody,
bro.
the first somebody will click live and start spread a bag of rumor pops. The first person. Then she joined, then her sister joined. I know I'm not on my mouth. Cause you me wanna fight no go, I'm not come tell a lie. Finna club, me never want up my mouth. I want you to talk about rat chick. Me say girl, me pipe me under your face. Me no girl no fight. She not carry me choking her blood clot carry in her face and walk away. And the boy come round, me nobody in a fight. I'ma walk away, me nobody in a fight.
Me
You
just
see fight
want
that
clear.
one out there?
Me just want clear the air, brother. Me just
No one
want
about to
clear.
lie for me. I lie them a tell. Them two lie, she lie bad. Me and nobody in a fight. You see fight that one out there? When Rebel come down road and two and the three boy them behind her, me sit down on my car, me see when Rebel pass. Me hear what Rebel say. All time out, me and nobody in a fight.
Alright, cool. Me no know nothing at all what happening. Zine, but any altercation on have member say, me and know a good friend. We alright. Since recently, we build a local band and we cool. Young Khandy fall out. Me no business about that. Young Khandy deal with that.
So what? So what, Shaq? So what? So what,
Listen now,
Shaq?
me talk. Secondly, bro, you see, respect what me have for Uno as my friend, Uno no have it for me none at all. You see, any altercation Uno have on TikTok, take it somewhere else. Cause Uno see what happened to me. And Rose, me can tell you this is a girl on my chair for a long time. And no pussy to you, no pussy to Khandy, me take on anybody. My cuss Uno, me motivate me do the most. And you see when that fig come back on my side, me no see it, I mean I respect it none at all. You see the predicament where I happen right now, dog, it not supposed to happen. So as As a girl, me no business when I go bring me down and I go do the most. Cause me not a favorite. Uno should have never do this to me. Never, none at all. Uno see how me up on TikTok every day. I say I pray for my party go good this year. But that's ask you one thing. Me not even celebrate my birthday. I hear someone want to enjoy myself. Zine, if you not have no problem, bring it out a road, brother. Why this have to reach me and next year again? What me do to Uno? And then the people gonna get up, rebel hypocrite. I don't know, say, me no see nothing. Brother, me I see some in front of him, in the car, we say we got taboo. I say, yes, the party finally done. Cool, we got taboo. But man in our back, Pops YG, me hear somebody say,
Khandy
Khandy and Rosealee a fight. I'm say Khandy and Rosealee a fight. Same time I push up my head and look up. Me no see nothing go on. Me see Pops run past with film phone. Everybody Khandy and Rosealee a fight. And me I say no I like her. Oh up me so calm. So one time Swiss say me go look. And him run out. And me I walk back and whatever. Remember say me pass in your car now. Pass in and me say, oh Rose in our car, sit down so. I lie them I tell. I want to go up outside, me say Khandy in our BMW. And me say Khandy, what is dog? And me in a brother. Exactly that was what me say. Me say me in a dog, what is for me right now? What I do? Me pass Rose car. I said don't ramp with me brother. Same thing me say to her. Me say Rose don't ramp with me bro. I'ma walk past. When I reach the Olympic way now, yeah Rose attack. And I say, I'm vexed with Rose and I feel that way. Rose come hug me up and say, vexed with you. And I say, yeah, dog, you don't respect my brother. You don't respect me. Me no want to talk about Khandy when Rose, I want to talk to Khandy directly. Secondly, Khandy go kick her life. Khandy, may you talk right through, may you plan outfit. May I look outfit for you, everything. Khandy, you know me and you good like that. Zine, Khandy and me, you call me right through dance. I send security to come look for you. You come late. The cabin is kind of full. Oh, we on the wall with the day. Zine, I say, alright. I go heal up Urban Nation. Khandy and Nikisha come over them. I say, Khandy, stay so. Because you have more space. I not at Khandy, I rest on the same screen. You have more space, bro. You know what I do, dog? I drink my 2 cups of liquor, I make my entrance, and I stay up on the stage step. Because I make sure I say, that if the police them can't talk, brother, me dead them say I want an entourage on the stage, a 2 or 3 man cameraman who will play the music, whatever. By the time I look, I think the party I go 4:30, bro. Them say 4 o'clock on the dot. I want everybody perform. Khandy that the stage side right there, so. Khandy say, Rebel, I want perform now. She has swag. Swag lad. So Khandy, you have swag lad. Come up on the stage and stay behind the TV, yes, so. Make our money and I water come up. Alright. Swissa say, make Khandy go perform now. And I say, alright then, cool. We don't have no time. Khandy just beat, hurry up and run out. Them say, our money for call her out. Alright, that's fine. Rosealee, remember me talk about the cabana, right? We talk about whatever the family about the cabana. Remember say, you never send me the receipts or whatever. You probably send Ramesh. You Ramesh talk.
Yeah, I'm Ramesh talk.
You know what I'm having, I say, Rosealee, me about her wig. Nothing, me don't know if you get a wig, nothing at all.
I'm in the room and we don't have
exactly.
I should not come for the wig.
So I should not come for the wig from me, and normally, me and Rose talk about that cool, fine, wonderful. Me say, alright, you look like Rose now, come here, look out. When I look across, me say the puffy jacket, me say, okay, me say Rose. Me say, alright, cool. May I talk for you night, Rose?
Just no, we'll go up on this. Rebel.
Rose, I want to do them say Rosealee there when me dip on stage already, dog. And then time you come and say whatever.
Rebel, me a big man, you know. What kind of story me a hold with people if me go say something to people? Oh, no, I know that.
Oh, me I get the blame, I say. Them I go say.
Because I lie the girl I tell.
Them I say, me rate Rose over Khandy. Oh, when me not see the fight, me not know what happen, me not know what happen. Me not know what kind of predicament. And then Khandy I go say, everybody a pussy. No, listen now. If Khandy I go say that, call name. Cause you know say we to go lead back to. When you know say, me no know nothing brother. Me look out for you one night. Me send flex for you bro. So say go for my phone. Please. Me call flex with a flex. Make sure say you look out for Khandy. Because Khandy you come. You call me and not hear me whatever. When you come up on the cabana you say you not see me. Them time I'm over the Rebel Nation side. I heal up my team bro. You want to come cross? Me say, alright, can the more space there, so stay here, so I'm going to take off a tight boot. We are quiz me.
So she's saying,
But I never violate you as my friend, bro. And
so she's saying,
everybody are going like say, and me doing something. Me not doing nothing, brother. Me not doing nothing. So all me a hypocrite. All me a get the fight. All me a get batteration. All me a get bring down. And me not know say nothing happen. Me never see. Me never see. Me not know. All me a give people preference. Me not click my life, guys. I this no one, brother.
Bro, today,
You see this?
Rosealee
I this no one. You see me can never win for no. You not like me. Probably you may go leave on the app, go no, bro. Me go leave on the app, go no, because I can't win for no, brother. You know want me just click like and say, yeah, Rose wrong, Khandy wrong, blah blah blah. You don't understand? Say we unaware. What unaware? Me can't win to bomber clot. I'm not act like say I'm me wrong. I'm me fight. I'm me up. I'm me do nothing at all. Oh me in a this, bro. Oh me in a this as a hypocrite. When it was my bomber clot day, and somebody come ruin me day again. What me do? What me do? What me do? All of a sudden, I rebel motivate females. Rebel do this to females. Why now me bad mind Khandy? Come with a bad mind my friend for bro. Khandy know me for true. Rose know say me sweet. You don't know. Stop play a blind eye, bro. I'm not force me for corrupt, bro. I'm not a corrupt person. Corruption make me unhappy, brother. Me don't want no one from me dog or who me motherfucker. Make me salt, so brother. Me can't get a break. What me do? What me do? What Swiss do? What we do? Me can't understand. When I act like say we do somebody something, and then not talk about humiliation ritual. I'm batty man, she bother. You can't dead man. That not like you, you know? You always have something bad to say about me, brother. And Khandy, I next one, I'm a comment section, I get to you. When I'm mental too weak, bro. I wanna have a real friend and for no people inside out, brother. More than me never try pussy yet, girl. Me always a take up for you. Me always a motivate you, always. So what happen now? What me do? Tell me what me do now. So me not click live and do this and make good around the wall. I that make me look like a pussy hole. I just that gonna make me look like a pussy worker. What me fi say? I mean I done ruin already. I don't have no expectations of me. When it don't come to full conclusion, you know, there's nothing me can say to ever make no change or no feel.
so me ask that question, Rebel.
Ask
Me ask that question. Who you not click live and pick our side, Tribex?
No, that's not what I said. They want me pick a side. Because they want push it for say.
You know, she want you pick for your side. So
No,
you click,
this is not about no big side. Coming a rate, no. After that, the night that after what wanna do me, I wanna say me I wanna a friend, and me I wanna good that wanna do that to me. Me not rate none of no. There's no side to pick. It wanna pussy me. And if you violate her first or she violate you, it too on the wrong count, gonna take it somewhere else. It never there for be at my party. When it never there for do that to me. Me don't deserve that, brother. I wanna sit on me over you every day. I beg. But that's one good blood clot night of my life, bro. And at this, every fucking me at 31, me not get a break. I mean not expect this from my friend them, and you know what me gonna do? TikTok, a TikTok. I mean, I go save nobody like Swiss. Me not go play no hypocrite. You know what I need to do? Stick to PTR. Because in my friendship, me not have certain problem, brother. And me come here so I be compassionate towards people. Want bring up people, everything, everybody for good. And me can't win. Me can't win. Because what the fuck my blood clot do? KD, you not stop calling me. Me not coming off. Me not come off. Me not come off, dog. Me tired, man. Them don't get it already. See that? Do anything you want to kill me. Blood clot. What want me for pussy clot? Me never seen no fight. Me no know no how. What me for do? The one blood clot. Melissa come and mash up the blood clot place. And me get one time for redeem my blood clot self and happy. I wanna fuck me up. Who wanna go, brother? No. No. You like me. I'm not to pump on TikTok, brother. I'm a born girl, so they know if you do anything. I'm not raping. No, rape my brother. No. And I tell you every day, I don't care if the ticket come on my party, for me. My regular preachers just support me. No, the certain things for that. I have a uno. I know people shot the other years and rape and say, now pick the side. You know, rape none of me. Two of the pussy. I'm not supposed to be a friend. We could have fight someone else. I want to fight for a fuckery. I don't know what I do on my body. A fuckery not fight for. Get a trace and the trace and down the yard. Big blood with nothing. Big and careless. And mash up people things, you know. Put and mash up people things. If you have the money, you come on the bottom yard. You hear me? It never be a problem to come back like people like never want to fight and fight like that. And if you could take down and children and rape me, wherever one God say, rebel. We soon get everything on the blood clot, my brother. Everything on the one to get blood. I'm sense. What am I saying? I lie to people and rape me. Anybody with pussy, I'm not sure. And this is a who? Oh. And they get that straight and they do the super people. Man, girl, anybody. Just a girl up you that look like a pussy or that, and it's not a pussy. It's a real girl. It's a real girl. You want me to hide that shit to my ribs and all my blood clot you want to go. I want to ever want to say all the time because I'm good shit. I don't need nothing. I don't need nothing. What me do on TikTok? What me do? Last year on the beat, they killed me. This year, no one going to get me. Me know, and what me do? Me not see no fight, me don't know what happened. I want to do, man. When I'm not ready, I'm not ready. Now that, when I look for it, everything I mean, what is this, what is that?
Yo, bro, it does hurtful, bro. We know say nothing, you still I get blamed. When you run from it, bro. When you run from problem that you come at the problem, can't run, brother. You can't run from it, bro. Everybody has said me and the girl are hypocrite. What we do? Brother, if 100 TikTok can write us, I want TikTok. Oh, Switzerland, bro, it come like my name, Salt.
Next one, brother. You don't know if it's done.
If 100 TikTok can write us, bro, I would have want TikTok fight. Yeah, yes, the Switzerland stand up and make them fight. So, out of all TikToker, nobody else could have parted. If my talk is a problem, if my quiet, me a hypocrite. What do you want me do? What do you want me do? If while I go Rose come and say, I see the girl. Me mute Rose, hear them Switzerland, was Switzerland with him hypocrite self. When me I tell Rosealee say, stop.
I never said I was going to acid nobody.
No, when you say you go walk with the acid.
Them a go gang me, and me say them gang me a throw acid for them that me say. Me not acid nobody.
Them say to me say, when I say that now, me mute you. Hear them now. Jesus Christ, Switzerland quiet. If me say Rosealee stop, hear Switzerland tell. You know them that hear Switzerland tell Rosealee to stop. And a Rosealee side. Me not depend on none of them side, bro. The two of them wrong, bro. Rosealee wrong, put her on her face. And me tell her, bro. Khandy, why me say Khandy wrong now? When Khandy go say all of the TikToker them know. How could you say that, bro? Me see one screen maker them say donor, Rosealee must tell donor say, him a go must sugar must pay. Donor know donor say it to you. Say donor name. We don't know mean all TikToker. Me see one screen maker them say like donor didn't know say you go to her. You go. If donor didn't know you tell say donor
Donor don't know shit. I was just there talking donor to the white girl. Them don't know shit. But watch the what?
You see me I tell you?
But watch the what? I pay a lie, them a walk and tell.
And I will still get the blame.
Them a walk and tell pay a lie.
Still get the blame. No matter how we are run from it, bro. We just understand, bro. I'm going to tell Rebel and me just understand. See, people who love it on TikTok, Teamless and Revelation, I would just left it there, bro. We can't afford for everybody likes. And done it there. So, Rosealee, go and do your thing. I'm going to jump out and I'm going to go in the street.
One day thing.
Alright, sis. Simple as that, bro. You can't force people to like you, brother. You can't force people to like you over yourself, brother. Who go like you, go like you. You can't, no matter what, you could have over your quiet like lamp. You could have over yourself quiet like lamp. Them people I want bring you down, brother. No matter what you do. Me I tell you, bro. You could have over your quiet so brother mind your business. If you're not bagger, them not like you. If you're too quiet, them not like you. Where you want, what you confusing. If you're over here, bro, and you're quiet, them not like you. Brother, me come right to say and give the whole of them youth a strength, brother. The whole of them youth on TikTok make it strength. Whole heap. Who want talk and who want hide it. When me come to Jamaica, bro, me I tell them youth to say, yo, connection, link up. Brother, me not make none of them youth feel uncomfortable, bro. Me not make none of them youth feel small. No matter how much money them have or how much money what them have, bro. None of them youth up on TikTok and none of them want me invite. Come to one birthday party and nothing can say bumbo clot. Swiftly make me feel like pussy. Me keep my birthday party, bro. The whole of the man them enjoy themselves. The whole of the man them enjoy themselves. Me I run for man, me I put man in a cabana. Me pay for my cabana, bro, and the whole of the TikTok of them in my cabana. Me could have say, yo, bro, you know what? You no buy a cabana and a whole the ground. And me pay for my cabana. Me get the biggest cabana. I'm put the whole of the man them in my cabana to come enjoy themselves. Ask the man them. As a man come, Swiftly, and at my party, and I say, bro, link rebel. Forward come enjoy yourself, same way, bro. You can't too nice over right, sir, bro. You can't, bro. The girl off here, brother. The girl off here because me don't tell them so that I got happen. The girl I got hurt, bro. Cause everything on me and her name. The girl say no TikTokers and a two name them tick out. Me and her. I'm going to tell Rosealee Olympics, say Rosealee a fuck creator. See me just tell her up on the screen. A fuck creator, bro. Me say Rose a fuck creator and Rebel go vex with her, bro. Cause you know the people, bro. Bro, when you come on to my party, a Rebel party, chat to have to understand the real truth. People bad mind the party them. People bad mind the party them. People sit down, so. Sit down and wait. And wait for something happen, bro. Nothing know the truth, bro. People bad mind the party them, brother. Once it come out to a party, people are pray if it don't fall, brother. I tell the brother, it hurt. If you say I want ghetto youth, I want ghetto girl, I keep one party, you can get them big support and people are wait for your bumbo clock don't fall. People are wait. Sometimes when you see someone make some people that bunks out in a real life, bro, you can't question it, brother. Cause bad mind real. I tell you, bro. Sometimes when you see someone start killing people, bro, and see people dead in a real life on a 1 hour. Bad mind is real, bro. And everybody can take pressure, brother. I tell you, bro. Anytime you come to Bumbo Clads, Rebel Party and my it start plan up. Everything start come up. The people them start sit down. Bro, you go keep a party, you know? Keep a party and enjoy yourself. Keep a party. Keep a party. Keep a party, bro. And go enjoy yourself, bro. When you come on to me and the girl party, bro, it's like the people them come and if them could have set a bomb. Them bomb down the party them, bro. For what? No reason, bro. Because people love the two person them. Everybody can keep a party, you know. Try your luck. The first time I keep a party, me never do my party that go full, so. Rain fall on my party, me think everybody that go with the people them stand up. What God have for you, brother, he does what him have for you. You can't bad mind a man for that. You can't bad mind a man for that, bro. When I hear time, bro. You just love for them thing there, brother. And stop bad mind the people and brother and stop fight the people and bro. Someone, bro, if Mixup or somebody not get bring down, you don't have a content or alive. You don't have a content or alive, bro. You have to get up every day to bring down somebody. You have to do it, bro. Offy. You can't do nothing, bro. Offy. As you just want to somebody don't fall, but get up. Oh, Jesus Christ. So what a weird this? You have no content. You have no, bro, nothing. Nothing you have. You have nobody will like you, bro. You can't even lie down on the live and now and people are watching and them think they hurt you, bro. You can't even lie down right as a teamless, don't move. You have to bring down somebody to get views. You can't do nothing else but that. Stand on the live one day and talk about no Mixup and say nobody watching you. And that you have to do, bro. That you have for the bro. Bring down people, brother. Bring down people for what? For money? For gift? For views? What fluctuate? TikTok is like dancehall, bro. Tomorrow this money around the app. Tomorrow this TikTok no love nobody. The raw truth. TikTok no love nobody. TikTok no love nobody over right us, bro. TikTok no love Rebel. TikTok no love me. TikTok no love World Dog. TikTok no love Hakeem. TikTok no love nobody. When I hear a time I hear training, them just go run with you till you're dead. Who love your team? Teamless. Ex-gang, Rebel Nation. Bury them team and them people, bro. TikTok no love your brother. I tell you, bro. Them no love you no over here, so brother. So they come over here and kill up on yourself for 10,000 people, 40,000 people. Sleep one time, and them are going to bring it down back. Just sleep one time. And them are going to kill you no over here, brother. So the views and the thing they want to run down for bring down somebody else's character or bring down somebody else's views, just fuck up one time and you see how them do no over here. When the sorry, you click on the bomb buckler live. Give me a break, bro. Bro, no matter what we do to bread, bro, no matter what we do, all if we are run from, brother, me say if we are run from far, Rosealee, Rebel, Rosealee, Rebel, Rosealee, Rebel, Rosealee, Rebel, Rosealee, Rebel. How we not dead? Yo, chat, me love you here. Me love you, dog. When those teamless, big up on yourself. You go in the street, chat. You just big up on yourself, bro. Alright? Big up on yourself, team. Later.